Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to import many products at the same time on the Hive blockchain with Waivio. Adding products to the blockchain manually can be time consuming, especially if you need to add multiple items. Luckily, Waivio offers a data import feature that allows you to import many products all at once. Waivio supports import in Json format. If you want to learn about the compatible format, see the link in the description. This format is used by Datafinity, which is one of the largest databases with hundreds of millions of products that are regularly updated. And in this tutorial, I will show you how to use Datafinity to find and export product information in the Json format. You can also use any other service that allows data export in the compatible format. And in the next tutorial, I will also show you how to use your own spreadsheet to export your product data in this format. Let's dive in. To find your product on Datafinity, click on the product and use filters to search for your product. As an example, I will be using a yoga block that comes in different colors. If you are looking for a specific product, the easiest way to find it is by using ASIN number. You can find the ASIN number under additional information on the Amazon page. Copy this ASIN number and paste it into the Datafinity ASINs filter and click Search. Datafinity will display all the matching product records. It may have multiple records for the same product. To download this file, click on Download and simply choose JSON as the format. In the Number of Records field, enter the same number as the total matching records. If there are multiple records for the same product, Waivio will handle them and extract only the relevant information. Now, if our product comes in other colors, we would want to download all the variant products at once. And there is a simple way to do this. Switch to the JSON view for the product we found and use the browser's find function. It's Ctrl F on Windows or Command F on Mac. And search for parent ASIN. Copy this value, then go to Add Filter, select Features, and then choose Value. Paste the parent ASIN that we found, and click Search. Datafinity will now display all the product variants in different colors. Click on Download. Again, select the JSON format. Enter the total number of records and confirm the download. Save the JSON file on your computer. Now we can go to Waivio. Navigate to Tools. Under Data Management, click on Data Import. You will need to authorize a bot to make upvotes on your behalf for the product updates. To do that, click on Authorize Now and follow the steps to authorize the bot. You will always be able to revoke the authorization at any time. Next, you will need to ensure that you have enough Waivio and Hive power. When you import products on Hive, each piece of information, such as the product description, product ID, avatar, will be added as a separate update. The bot will take care of creating all these updates and upvoting them for you. Each upvote is equivalent to 0.1 cent in Waivio power. Therefore, you'll need enough Waivio and Hive power to perform this action on the blockchain. For example, if I go to my wallet, I have Waivio power tokens with a value of approximately $440. This gives me Waivio power of 1 cent. And it may seem that I only have enough for 10 updates, but this is not correct. I actually have enough for hundreds of updates. Let me show you the math. When I give a full upvote, I only use 2% of my vote power. To give a tiny upvote, worth zero point 0.1 cent with my vote power of 1 cent. I just need to use 10% of a full upvote. So every time I make the upvote equivalent to zero point 0.1 cent, my vote power will just drop by a fraction of a percent. After one update, my vote power will drop by 0.2% and result in a new vote power of 0.998 cents. And after 100 updates, my vote power will still be high, 0.8 cents. Now, you can set up your threshold beyond which you don't want your vote power to drop. By default, the voting power threshold is set to 30%, meaning that import will stop when your voting power is below 30%. Your voting power recharges every day by 20%, so with this threshold, it will take you around 4 days to restore your power. The absolute minimum is when your vote power reaches 0. 0.1 cent, because with this, you can no longer make 0. 0.1 cent upvotes. With my starting vote power of 1 cent, my minimum vote power threshold can be set to 10%. By the way, by importing products, you're not losing any Wave or Hive tokens. It's actually the opposite. You will gain Wave tokens from the upvotes on the product's updates. In addition to Wave power, you will also need to have enough resource credits. Hive resource credits are credits given to your account based on how much Hive power you have, and they're used up whenever you record something on the blockchain, such as upvotes, posts, and comments. During the import, the bot will create product updates and upvote them for you, but you still need to have enough resource credits so that the bot can record these upvotes on the blockchain. The bot is designed to use as few resource credits as possible. Without the bot, you would need significantly more credits to add a product. If your resource credits fall below 10%, the import process will slow down. To be safe, I would recommend to have a ratio of approximately 4 to 1, 400 wave power to 100 hive power. So in my case, I should have more than $110 worth of hive power tokens. Now we can proceed to the import. Click on Upload New File, select Product. Upload the Json file you downloaded from Datafinity. The product description on Amazon may not always be great, so you can check the box next to Optimize Description with ChatGPT. This will rewrite the product's description with the help of ChatGPT. Next, you need to choose the appropriate authority level, ownership or administrative. If you will be curating the product and don't want anyone else to add any information to the product, I recommend choosing ownership. Otherwise, choose administrative. Check the tutorial on authority levels to learn more. Once you've uploaded the JSON file, the import process will start automatically. You will see the information about your import, such as the number of objects that you are importing, the total number of updates that it will require, and how many updates and objects have already been posted. Remember to reload the page to see the progress. If the import stops, it's likely because you've reached a wave power threshold or used all the Hive resources. But don't worry, the import process will resume once your power gets recharged. You can also pause the import process yourself by unchecking the active box. If you are importing many JSON files, you can prioritize certain objects by leaving only the priority items active. This will help you to import priority items first. Once the import is complete, your products will be published on Hive Blockchain and you can search them on Waivio. It's always a good idea to double check the product page to make sure all the information is accurate and complete. If you notice something is missing, you can easily add it manually. Check out the tutorial on adding a product to learn how to do it. Now, we have successfully imported multiple products to the Hive blockchain with Waivio. This method saves you time and effort, and you can import hundreds of products easily. Now that you know how to use this import feature on Waivio, you can take your business to the next level by adding more products to the blockchain. Good luck and see you in the next video.